Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life. I'm Adil, and we're here at
Rosemont.
That's right, folks. We're here in Rosemont, Illinois. It's a city right outside of Chicago. Whether you're a local or you're traveling in, it's a hot spot you got to check out. Now, if you're on a layover, it's a great place because the airport is right across. So we're just going to give you guys a little tour of the Rosemont area that we're going to be checking out. Mind you, Rosemont's huge. There's a lot to do here. So we're just going to give you guys a little sneak peek at some of the places that we check out. So let's get started. To start off, we did check into the Aloft Hotel. I did make a detailed video about this room and the hotel, so check out our other videos. This hotel was perfect as it was walking distance to everything we're going to show you here. The day started off by getting lunch at Crust Brewery. We enjoyed the overall atmosphere and vibe. Not to mention the service was amazing. The menu has plenty of items to choose from, but make sure you try one of the brick oven pizzas. So they usually have a concert or anything playing out here. You got this whole field. You can run around to anything you want, have fun. So they got a comedy club right here, Zany's Comedy Club, Joe's Music Bar, Bub City, Sugar Factory. That's always a good time. And then King's.
The Sugar Factory.
Sugar Factory, no, we're gonna go bowling. And King's right there. They also got an indoor skydiving place, iFly. And then right across, you got AMC Theaters, hit up a movie as well. So yeah, there's a lot to do here, just right outside the airport. But for now, we're gonna check out King's Bowling. Also have Fashion Outlets of Chicago right across, featuring some of the best designer stores out there. How was Rosemont, man? A lot to do here, right? Highly recommend it.
We went to
Yeah, King's? What did you like the most over there?
bowling.
The arcades was fun, yeah? Well, there you folks have it, Rosemont, Illinois. Now, if you guys have any questions about this place or anything we visited, ask this guy down below. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.